I suppose my first tip is not to install Ubuntu on a 12-year-old machine. However, if you like using Ubuntu and wanted to speed things up, here's a tip. We'll go to Settings, Accessibility, go to Seeing. Now, animation effects is turned on by default. And this is an example of animation effects. You can see the minimizing and maximizing of the screen. You have that dissolve back into the dock. It certainly looks cool, but it uses up more system resources. And on this computer, by leaving this on, Ubuntu will run, but not quite as fast as I would like. Turn that off. Toggle that off. Now, by turning this off, I didn't notice any breakage of my extensions or anything. So now that this is turned off, now it is turned on by default. I toggle it off. And as you can see here, we just have a snappy window on, off, and it's going to run a lot smoother, in my opinion, that way. Now there are other tips such as lowering the resolution of the screen. But if you turn that off, animation effects off, it should speed things up. If you like it the way it was, just toggle it back on, and you can have your special effect in Ubuntu turned back on. All right, it is morning here. It's time for my coffee. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.